When it comes to air filters, fiberglass filters are about as simple as it gets. But don't let that simplicity fool you. Let's break down what they are and what they're good for. A fiberglass air filter is made of thin, spun glass fibers, which are arranged in a flat web-like pattern. It's super lightweight and designed to trap larger particles like dust and lint. Think of it as the bare minimum when it comes to air filtration. It gets the job done for basic needs, but doesn't catch smaller particles like pollen, pet dander, or mold spores. These filters are often the cheapest option, which makes them popular, especially for people on a budget or those who need to change filters often. They're great if your main goal is just to keep dust and debris out of your HVAC system. But if you're looking for better air quality or you have allergies, this might not be the best choice. Now, here's the question for you. Are you currently using a fiberglass filter, or do you think you need something with more filtration power? Drop your thoughts in the comments. In our next video, we're stepping it up a notch and talking about HEPA air filters, which are the gold standard for air quality. You won't want to miss it, so make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for listening, and I'll catch you next time on Simply Filters.